Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Usually tapioca flour can be subbed in a 1-to-1 ratio for wheat flour. For example, to substitute tapioca flour, or starch, for wheat, all-purpose flour in recipes, start by using about 1 tablespoon 1.5 tablespoons of tapioca for every tablespoon wheat flour in the original recipe.
Take our lead.
Due to its lack of protein and nutrients, tapioca is nutritionally inferior to most grains and flours. 1. In fact, tapioca can be considered as empty calories. It provides energy with almost no essential nutrients. Tapioca is almost pure starch and contains only negligible amounts of protein and nutrients.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch, is a starchy white flour that has a slight sweet flavor to it. Tapioca flour helps bind gluten-free recipes and improves the texture of baked goods. Tapioca helps add crispness to crusts and chew to baked goods.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tapioca starch is tapioca ground into a fine flour. Commercial food processors sometimes use a tapioca starch called native tapioca starch. This is tapioca starch that hasn't been modified through further processing to make it dissolve more quickly. It must be cooked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.